So let's just talk about inheritance in Python. So the inheritance is a fundamental object-oriented programming concept where a child class can inherit or derive properties and methods from one parent class. And there are multiple advantages of using inheritance. So first of all, we have the code reusability. That means we can write a common functionality in the parent class and then we can reuse that in the child class also. Secondly, we can improve maintainability. So that means we can reduce the code duplication because we are reusing the same code from the parent to the child, and because of this, fixing bug will be much more easier. Thirdly, extensibility. That means we can add new functions in the child class without modifying the parent class. And fourthly, polymorphism. So the polymorphism allows us to perform the method overriding, and here also we can have the dynamic behavior at the runtime. Now let's just talk about the types of the inheritance in Python. So first of all, we have the single inheritance, multiple inheritance, we have multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and fifthly we have the hybrid inheritance. So like an example, suppose we have one class parent. So inside the parent class we have one instance method greet, and the greet method prints welcome to Python. Now we can create another class child. So here we can inherit from the parent class. Now because of the inheritance, the child class can access all the properties and methods of the parent class. So although there is no greet method in the child class, but still we can use the child class object and we can access this greet method. So let's just create one object of the child class. Now we can use the object and we can call the greet method. So you can see here we have the output. So this way, with the help of inheritance, the properties and methods of one class can be inherited by another class. So hope you understand about inheritance in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.